Don't you think my hair is unkempt? That is the mark of my Africanness. I am an African girl. I'm an African girl, African girl. I'm a singer-songwriter and guitarist. I started playing the guitar when I was 13 in high school. We were taught by German sisters to play. I went to a Catholic school called St. John's, and that's where I started playing the guitar. I think the first response I always get is everyone is shocked that I'm a woman playing the guitar, especially in our African society, where it's unorthodox for women to play an instrument. But I like it because it really inspires a lot of other young girls and a lot of the other young women to take up spaces that they're not normally accustomed to be in. So as much as it is not your orthodox industry to be in, I like it because I'm inspiring a lot of people to take up the same thing. Music for me has something that I've always enjoyed, and being able to create something, being able to share something, and being able to touch people's lives through your own creation for me is why I do what I do. I like having someone watch me and they can relate to what I'm talking about, and they can change their lives because of what I'm singing or what I'm playing. That's what music means to me. And I'm waiting for that call to hear from you. I like just being with the guitar, alone with the guitar. So I found myself musically on an acoustic platform, which is one of the platforms that I run called the Acoustic Night. And I just thought it would be a great idea to always be associated with the guitar. I'm inspired by a lot of things, mainly experiences that I go through, experiences that people around me go through, and anything that is relevant to my life is what I write about. You find that most of my musical message is love, and I like to celebrate love because it's something great and it's something that ignites passion in other people. So I feel that anything around me can inspire me to write a song. Moyo wangu zeru ninoshuvira iwene nititani nilindire panosaka uya wendito Tarira uone chigomana aunga mbosho swedera pachusika nikuti iwene nitiko ita shidoro I am burning like a wildfire. Would you ignite the passion, won't you live? I am burning like a wildfire. Won't you love me? I am burning like a wildfire. Would you ignite the passion, won't you love me? I am burning like a wildfire. Won't you